Alright guys, it's 11:09 Thursday evening. Time for box number 219 of 2011 Timeless Treasures. Good luck everyone. Be sure to check out BillsBoxBreaks.com. A 5-box break of this done by team. Only had a couple teams sell so far, but let's try to fill that one up. Alright, let's see what we got. 3 evenly thick ones. Alright, here we go. From the front, back to the front that is. Got Joe Montana out of 49. Nice little hit for the Niners. Steve Smith. This will be a nice one. Cowboys, Felix Jones. Material Ink Authentic Signatures. It's a beautiful auto too. Felix Jones. Not bad at all. It's going to be a low number one. And they got Matt Schaub for the Texans. This is 10 out of 15. Nice hit. Matt Schaub. Another nice one here. Statistical Champions. Adrian Peterson. Nice. Schaub's out of 250. AP's out of 100. Wow. Very nice box. Very nice hits. Alright guys, thanks for joining, and check out BillsBoxBreaks.com. Let's do a 5-box break of this. We can get some more cards like this. Alright guys, thanks for joining. See you later.